are in listen-only mode.
Hi, thank you so much for attending our webinar on this great Friday morning. My name is Sandy Vicanti. I'm a supervisor here at Producer Services. Again, just thank you so much for your attendance. Great information we're going to go over. But before we do that, let's get into a couple house cleaning items that I want to let you know about. When you are an agent of ours and you refer a producer over to IMES, when that producer contracts with us, we give you a $50 bonus or check just to say thank you for that referral. When that agent starts writing business and places business with us, not only do you get that $50, but you also receive 20 basis points on any piece of placed business that they write here on out. It is indefinite. It doesn't end. As long as they write and place business, you get that extra 20 basis points. That does not come out of your commission. It does not come out of their commission. That comes directly from IMES as a thank you for entrusting us with your referral. As a writing agent with IMES, when you yourself write business and place every $100,000 of premium, and that premium can be life, med-sup, long-term care, combination, annuities, a combination of all, we will put $200 in your marketing reimbursement account. And what that is a great savings account. So when you have business expenses, submit the invoice, and if you have and we pay up to 50% of that, so as long as that money is in your marketing reimbursement account. So for example, if you've placed $200,000 with us, you'd have $400 in your marketing reimbursement account. If you submit $800 worth of business expenses, whether that's websites, seminars, business cards, copy paper, anything like that, we will write you a check for $400. So another way that IMES just says thank you so much for letting us be part of your business. We also offer a new producer bonus, and with that bonus, again, you still get that marketing reimbursement. You still qualify for all of the carriers' trips and incentives as well as ours. For every $100,000 of placed business, when you're a new producer of ours, you earn a $750 cash bonus, or you can choose a 2-year producer website. If in that 6 months you want to wait to collect your new producer bonus and you get to that $300,000 level, you could choose from a $1,500 gift card, a $2,000 marketing reimbursement that we put right in your marketing reimbursement account, or you can do a Social Security program and 3,000 piece mailing. If you think, gosh, I know I'm going to just do great, my first 6 months I'm going to place $500,000 of life, annuity, med-sup, combination thereof, you can choose a 5,000 piece mailing and seminar coaching with Matt Gill, a 4,000 piece mailing and seminar coaching with Dave Pimper, or you can choose my favorite, which is the Ritz-Carlton Travel Rewards Getaway, where you plan your own personal vacation. So again, as you can see, when you contract and write with IMES, we don't just stop there. We want to just continue to say how grateful we are that you chose us to be part of your business. We also offer strong back office support. We help you work smarter, not harder. We know that your job is difficult to get the business in the door. So what we try to do is help you behind the scenes from, getting you the quotes, whether it's life or annuity, making sure that when you need a contract with another carrier, that it's all done paperlessly, so you don't have to sit and fill out paperwork after paperwork. We have all the forms for you. We help design cases. We follow and scrub your applications from the time you submit those cases all the way to commission. So we do all of that for you. Strong back office support. Can't stress enough how once you give us that application, we take it over and make sure that everything goes just as smoothly as possible. On our creative side, our creative marketing department just does an amazing job. So whether you're looking at something turnkey where it's handouts or flyers, postcards, newsletters, anything that you may need to customize with your information and logo, or you just need help finding some flyers, they will go ahead and help you with that. If you have a logo and you want to refresh it, or if you don't have a logo or business cards, we can help design that for you. Just give us your information, and Tasia and Josh and our creative team will go ahead and come up with an idea for you and get that on paper. What they also do is your personal website. So let's say you have a website and it just needs a little breath of fresh air. We can go ahead and redesign your website. If you don't have one, we will design one for you and manage it. We also do online newsletters, email marketing consulting. If in your area, we make sure that when someone Googles life insurance or annuities, that your name is right up there on top. So can't stress enough how great our creative team is. Again, you should contact them and ask for Josh or Tasia. We also have an IAMS website, and with this website, it's accessible to you 24/7. There's not a time where you're not able to get into it. So if for some reason we're not here, or you're with a client and you need a quote immediately, you can go onto our website and grab any term or UL quote. You can do an annuity quote, look at the current annuity rates, which ones are the best out there, grab forms, all the industry links and current news on how that will affect your business. Everything is on that website, including a little bit about IAMS and the people that you talk to on a daily basis. So great information. Can't stress enough to go to www.iamsinc.com. Register, take a look around, give me a call, let me know what questions you have. I'll be more than happy to, go through the different options with you. Now for this one, we're just so proud of our IAMS Wealth Management. I am going to send out a poll question out there. I encourage everyone to check yes. It's not signing up for anything. You are just, when you check yes, you're just asking for additional information. And this really has to go to the heart of this DOL ruling and how it's affecting the industry and how we can assist you and manage you through all the changes with DOL. Because of DOL, we started IAMS Wealth Management, and that was to help increase revenue for you as the agent. It also, sorry about that. It also, increases not only the recurring revenue, but the fixed revenue as well for most advisors. You're able to offer a completely full range of products and services to your clients instead of being limited. And you're also viewed differently by your clients as an advisor. You are now a fiduciary. Cannot stress enough with the changes that are happening, the delays that are happening. Get yourself prepared and ready. Let us get you out some information on our IAMS Wealth Management, and we will be happy to steer you through all the different mazes that are going on right now. For our Life and Annuity Academy, this here is industry recognized. Again, when you check yes, all you're doing is asking for more information. What we do is an all expense paid trip. It's for 2 days. We cover airfare, food, lodging. We choose between 35 to 40 agents from across the United States. We had close to 1,000 register for our last one. So again, industry recognized, very sought after. We go over different sales ideas and strategies from top producers. We go over again current DOL information and annuity industry threats and trends. Seminar systems, everything from having seminars in a library with, coffee and cookies to having, your more elaborate seminars and what would work best specifically for you and your area. Large life case marketing. So if you want to get into, the private financing or that bank on yourself, we have that for you. We go over that with you. Different insurance concepts, annuities, indexed annuities, and the income riders, and what may best fit your clients or what income rider would work, along with software tools, wealth transfer tools for single premium life, how to find those sales for single premium life, and whether that's out of your annuity book of business or whether that's with your Medicare clients. So great opportunity there. We'll get information out. We offer all of our agents, in addition to the new producer bonus, in addition to marketing reimbursement, in addition to the trips from the other carriers, we offer our own incentives. And next February 25th through the 28th, we are offering that at the Boulders Resort and Spa. It was listed as best hotel in Arizona from Travel and Leisure and the best golf resort in the Southwest with Golf Digest. It's a 4-day, 3-night. It's a great social and educational event. It will be by invitation only. Only way you can get an invitation is to start writing with us. So I can't encourage you enough to, get out there, get contracted with us if you aren't already, and start placing business with us. Invitations will go out January, and you have until the end of this current December to get business placed in the door. So let's go over now some single premium life and the underwriting and where agents find or think that it's just too difficult to get approved, or two, their clients are too sick or unhealthy or have been declined and they can't get approved, because those are the cases that we turn around. We go over why agents choose not to sell it. Why is single premium life so popular in this industry? Who's exactly a prospect? General product information as well as underwriting guidelines. We'll give actual case examples that have gone through our office. I head up all of single premium life. I touch and work every single premium life case that comes in. So these are actual cases that we have had come through our office that I've worked on that we have gotten approved. We go over your declined cases, who exactly are the players, and why you should be selling with IMES for your single premium life business. So the big hurdle at first are, why are agents choosing not to sell single premium life? And a lot of times they believe that the client has to die in order to utilize that great death benefit. It is not the case. That death benefit is accessible to them, and we will go over that. They're concerned underwriting will take too long or the client won't qualify. That's a big one when we hear from agents, gosh, I'm not selling it because my client had a heart attack 3 years ago, or they are on insulin for diabetes. We get those cases approved. You feel like you have to learn something new when really it's a very simple and easy product. It mimics an annuity if you're familiar with annuities. And then agents fail to see the value in the product when really it is another great supplemental income to your main business. So why is it so popular? It is truly the most efficient way to transfer wealth. It goes income tax free to the beneficiaries, provides long-term care and home health care benefits tax free. Those clients, when they have a nursing care or home health care benefit, that is taken directly off the death benefit, which is income tax free. So the accessibility to the funds, if they're not looking for wealth transfer, let's look at it for nursing care benefits. There are no out-of-pocket premiums. They pay a one-time premium, and then once that single premium is paid, those benefits are available. Absolutely never are there exam and labs. It's always simplified issue. Same exact questions that are on the application will be asked for the telephone interview, though that telephone interview is typically between 15, possibly 20 minutes, depending on the client's health history. And as they're doing that telephone interview, they're pulling up the prescription history of the client. Top commissions, I mean, it goes to age 85 and pays up to 15% commission with a guaranteed interest rate of 3%. So especially on those older clients, where they're 83, 84, 85, and you're having a difficult time finding somewhere to put their money, great opportunity with single premium life. All that cash grows tax deferred, and it's brand new commissions on old annuities. So if you have clients that have annuities, I can't stress enough to give them a call. Utilize their 10% withdrawals if they're not using them for income. The RMDs, if they don't need those, let's put that money into single premium life. You're not starting anew, you're going back, you're doing a review with your clients with those old annuities. And again, you're getting new commission on old business. So who exactly is a prospect? Again, clients who have annuities who will not draw an income from. They don't need it, but they have accessibility to the annuities themselves. The 10% free withdrawals, RMDs that they're putting in the bank and just letting it sit there and earning 0.25%. Let's have that money work better and smarter for them. Policies that clients want to consolidate, so they don't have any premium. So if they have a lot of policies out there, they have some cash value in it and they continue to pay $50, $60 a month on each of these policies. Let's get all that cash value from the different policies that they have them stop paying premiums and let that money that are in those old policies work for them better. Any of those imploding UL policies that they may have received back in the 80s or early 90s where, it's just eating up the cash value and the clients are going to have to put in, $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000 or they're going to lose the policy. Before they lose all that money in the policy, let's take that out. Let's use it for single premium life so they can have a guaranteed death benefit, so they don't have any additional premium, so they don't lose all that money that they've built into the policies. Policies with minimal net amount of risk, health issues that were declined again for long-term care. Long-term care underwrites for morbidity. We underwrite for mortality. Huge difference in underwriting. And clients who don't want to spend premium and never use the policy. So, those are the clients. They just want to do a simple wealth transfer without paying a continuous premium. So general information in regards to our great single premium life, issue ages are 50 to 85. Those are actual ages. We have some carriers that offer 0 to 90. However, the majority are ages 50 to 85. Maximum premium varies by carrier. One carrier will do whatever premium purchases a guaranteed death benefit of $750,000. It doesn't matter what's on the non-guaranteed side, but just that guarantee of $750,000. And then we have others that do over $1 million in death benefit. Premium varies by carrier as well. We go as low as $5,000. One of our carriers, great leading carrier, is a minimum of $10,000. So you can see they're low single premium amounts. For underwriting, it's either approved or declined. So, it's a Table 4 standard issue. Some companies go up to a Table 8. Again, absolutely no exam, no labs. We underwrite for mortality and not morbidity. So, for example, if you had a client who was declined for long-term care because they had a knee replacement, they would not be declined for life insurance because of that. Or if you have a client that, uses a cane, that would not be a decline for life insurance. Great benefits with single premium life. It has a return of premium feature. So at a minimum, your clients get what they put in minus any withdrawals. Bonuses of up to 12%. So a 12% bonus, a return of premium, nursing care, home health care benefits automatically built in. They can have withdrawals. Typically, it's 5% free withdrawals of the accumulation value. Some carriers we have offer 10% free withdrawals of the accumulation value. And you can actually transfer qualified and non-qualified benefits. So if you have a client that has qualified funds, we can transfer that money without your client taking a huge tax consequence all at once. Again, to go over the underwriting guidelines, Table 4 is a standard issue. And you say, well, gosh, why would I want to put a preferred client into a Table 4? It's not the same rating as you would think if you ran a Table 4 with a traditional company. This strictly is death benefit, nursing care, home health care benefits, or that cash accumulation. So again, starts at a Table 4, ends at a Table 8. Simplified underwriting, no exam, no labs. We have one carrier that is an immediate decision on the phone. So once your client gets done with their telephone interview, you will know right then and there whether they are approved or declined. Standard underwriting for traditional policies, can take up to 2 weeks, which, we have that instant decision there on the phone. Medical records, that is a rare thing that they order. It is as needed. Again, we will never ask for exam or labs, but if there's a question in regards to a medication, and that medication is, not only for high blood pressure, but it could be used for congestive heart failure, that may be something where they order medical records on, just to get that clarification. Telephone interview, again, mortality versus morbidity, huge difference. So even with, again, long-term care that you've been declined on, or if, we have great products, a MoneyGuard product that writes under morbidity that may have been a declination. Let's take a look at that and see if, again, it was declined because of a hip replacement or a knee replacement. Mortality underwriting does not care about those. So huge difference there. There's typically a 5-year minimum for most critical illnesses and 2-year minimum with select carriers. We just don't want you to walk away from a case because you just don't think that you're able to get your client approved, or because they had cancer 3 years ago, or like I said, a heart attack 3 years ago, diabetes, insulin control. Those are the cases that we get approved. Those are the cases we work with on a daily basis. So these are some actual cases that we've worked. An 83-year-old female, type 2 diabetes, on a blood thinner medication, 2 blood pressure medications, and 1 cholesterol medication, approved. Male, 78, had kidney disease, type 2 diabetes on insulin, and that's important to know. Type 2 diabetes on insulin with kidney disease and gout, approved. 68-year-old female, colon cancer in 2004, edema, high blood pressure, bone loss, approved. Other examples of cases that you think that, gosh, just wouldn't get approved: heart attack, 2 years of recovery; bypass, angioplasty, 2 years; cancer in remission, date of last treatment, 2 years; Parkinson's after 2 years of no treatment; stroke after 2 years of no treatment; and a pacemaker after 5 years. So again, if you think, gosh, my client's healthy, they're not impaired, We have single premium life cases where if you don't want to put them through here, healthy clients can go through full underwriting with selected carriers for, a higher death benefit. We're not limited whatsoever. If you've had, again, a client declined for long-term care for morbidity, let's turn it around, take a look at the case, and we'll tell you, gosh, yeah, we can do it, or no, we're not able to do it. So big difference between morbidity and mortality. If you've had a client declined on a telephone interview with another carrier, give that to us. Let us see what we're able to do, how we're able to work it. We are industry recognized for our single premium life. We lead in it. We rank in the top 4 in the nation with single premium life. We have instant access to underwriters. Let us work hard for you to get an approval. If there is any insufficient information, it was declined for insufficient information. We're able to dig a little bit, ask the correct questions, see what we're able to do to get enough information in front of an So I have a couple that say that you were not able to hear. I apologize. This is all recorded, so we will make sure to get out a recorded version to you for those of you who had lost audio. Looking to see what we have. Again, just a reminder, single premium life, great opportunity. Nursing care, home healthcare benefits automatically built in. Simplified issue, absolutely no exam, no labs, no product training for you as the agent. Goes to age 85 and pays up to 15% commission. Okay, I am going to close this out. So greatly appreciate everyone taking time on this holiday weekend to attend this. You will receive this in a recorded version. It will come from Sandy at imzinc.com. Again, just thank you so much. We'll get that out to you. In the meantime, if you have questions, please give me a call. 1-800-255-5055. Thank you. Bye-bye.